So it's a little hard to see in here, but there are actually two hoses going from the power steering reservoir down to the power steering pump, and we're going to be replacing both of those and the reservoir. Also spray a bit of engine degreaser down on the power steering pump. It's probably nasty down there. Per the directions, it'll also help if you scrub a little bit. And rinse it off, and then we can get on with the part replacements. Also, if you have a leaf blower or such similar device, you can speed the process of drying everything along. I highly recommend grabbing some fluid line clamps from Harbor Freight and then pinching off the hoses just a little ways above the nipple. This will help reduce the mess quite a bit. Give the camera angle here, but we're releasing the first hose clamp. Once the clamp has been removed, we can pull the hose off and then twist it around and up so it's out of the way. You can now see and release the smaller hoses clamp. Pull the smaller hose off, and then pull the reservoir and both hoses out of the vehicle. Inevitably, you'll get some ATF/power steering fluid all over the place, so try to wipe that up as best you can. I didn't show it here, but I used the original power steering reservoir and hoses as a guide for roughly how to install the new reservoir and hoses together. Install the new reservoir and shove the first hose on. It also helps if you've wiped the fitting clean. Shove the first hose on and then try to tighten the hose clamp onto the nipple. It took a little while to find a hose clamp that would actually fit that line for me. Someday, when you've finished with the smaller line, you can shove the second larger line on and then install its hose clamp and tighten it. Tighten the clamps on your reservoir. Next, spray some more engine degreaser around to clean up the mess when we pull the hoses off. After letting it sit, rinse the engine degreaser off again. Hit it with your leaf blower again. I forgot to record it, but just fill your reservoir with Dextron 3 or Mercron ETF. Thanks for watching.